Hello everyone and welcome to frompizzatodalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of these delicious and easy to make 2-minute mug cakes, and I have shared two types of recipes here. So one is vanilla mug cake and the other one is chocolate mug cake. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी को ओडिया देखिବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି then ऊपर ଥିବା I button link को press କରନ୍ତୁ. So let's start with the vanilla mug cake. For that, in a mug take 4 tablespoons of maida or all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt. Mix everything well. Then add 4 tablespoons of milk, 1 tablespoon of oil and mix well till no lumps are there. That's why I have used a fork here for mixing. Finally, add few drops of vanilla essence and give it a mix. Here I have also added some chocolate chips on top. This is completely optional. You can also add sprinkles if you have. Microwave for 1 minute and 30 seconds. Our perfect vanilla mug cake is ready. This is super soft and spongy and the taste is oh so amazing. So do try it out yourselves. Now let's check out the chocolate mug cake recipe. For that, in a mug take 4 tablespoons of maida, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt. Mix everything well. Then add 2 tablespoons of sugar, 4 tablespoons of milk, 1 tablespoon of oil and few drops of vanilla or chocolate essence. Mix well till no lumps are there. Add some chocolate chips to make it extra chocolatey and mix them in. Also add few chocolate chips on top and microwave for 1 minute and 30 seconds. And our perfect chocolate mug cake is also ready. See how soft and fluffy this is. These are perfect for midnight dessert cravings. So do try it out yourselves and let me know how it turned out. If you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.